What's up, YouTube? For those of y'all that don't know me, my name is George Baena, and I'm an up-and-coming barber. My new Andis GTX T outliners just came in, so I thought it'd be a good idea to do a quick unboxing of them to show you guys what you guys should get and expect when you guys get one. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe and comment. I know this is probably not the best unboxing you guys will see on YouTube, but this is one of my first videos, so please help me out, tell me things that I can do better, and I hope you guys like the video. So these are the Andis GTX T outliner trimmers. Just want to do a quick unboxing, see what's all in it. So let's get to it. Alright, so I was having some trouble with the tape on here, but I got it. Cardboard, another piece of cardboard. Let's see what's in here. Use and care. I guess this is the manual on how to take care of it. Registration card. Bump care. Okay. I might check that out later. So 1, 2. Comes with 4 guards. Let's see what size these guards are. Just open them real quick. Got a 1/14. This is a 1/4. The 1/2. No, what is that? That's the 1/8. My bad. And then this one's the 3/8. Okay. And then you have the actual trimmer itself. It doesn't come bubble wrapped, but it's got a plastic wrapper on it and pretty good case to hold it in, I guess. So these are the Andis GTX trimmers. Okay, it's a little tight, but that's all right. Blade. Everything seems to be pretty good. It's got a pretty heavy duty cord. Feels nice, good quality. And it comes with a little bottle of oil. Okay. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Oh, and just in case you guys wanted to hear how it sounded,
it. It's not very loud. It's pretty quiet, I think.